So my name is Jolene Misa-Weincoop. We are in Lincoln City, Oregon, and I work for the hospital system out here in rural Lincoln County, and I oversee a federal grant program. Oh my goodness, the vibe was so fun, so energetic. It was like getting to be back in high school, attending one of your school assemblies where everyone is just cheering and clapping and having a good time, and just interacting with one another. It was so awesome to see everybody chatting with each other and not being afraid to raise their hands and share information or ideas that they might have had. And yeah, overall it was just so energetic. I would say that Vive18 is just so personal. Like, you have someone come in front of a large audience, or maybe even it's a smaller group setting, but you have someone who can just really speak from their heart, share their own personal testimonies or experiences with substance use. Maybe it was a family member that had experienced it, or they themselves. But it was nice just to hear those direct experiences of maybe what the speaker has gone through, and then really taking that and relating it to the group of students, whether they're middle school, high school, any age, college students. I think any student might be able to relate in one way or another just to the experiences that the speaker shares, and that was one of the things I really enjoyed. So one aspect of today was the students were able to break out into some smaller sessions and talk about some potential school projects that they might be able to implement at their own middle schools. And it was really great to kind of hear some of the ideas that they were coming up with in terms of how they were going to talk to their fellow peers about substance use prevention, or maybe they wanted to put on a parade or a walk, something to bring awareness about substance use. And I'm really excited to see just over the next year how these projects come to fruition, see how they're able to engage their fellow peers, and kind of see what changes are made just in our own community based off of those projects. So I would tell them just to go for it. Just if they're really looking for an organization that can come in and do something different, to really engage students, to really get those students thinking and coming up with ideas and sharing, to definitely reach out to Vive18, because Vive18 just has so much energy. They really speak from the heart, from their own personal experiences as well, and I think they just do a great job at engaging youth in general and young adults as well.